Hello everyone, I'm Swati. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk on the topic human resource development. Before that, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So now let's start with our topic. So what is HRD? So H means human, R means resource and D means development. So HRD means human resource development. It's all about development of human resource. So in every organization, in order to operate, they require different resources like man, material, labor. These are the factors which are very important in every organization in order to operate. But labor is considered as the most important resource because without labor we cannot operate machineries, right? Can we? No. So labor is the very important factor that is required in the organization. So now let's see the definitions. So the HRD concept was introduced by Leonard Nadler in 1969 in a conference in US. So Leonard Nadler was first introduced this concept in US. So he defined HRD is a series of organized activities conducted within a specialized time and designed to produce behavioral changes. So he says that HRD is a series of organized activities. So what is series of organized activities? It means a number of people doing something together in a structured way. So in a structured way they perform duties. In a structured way means in a kind of formal way, not in an informal way. It is a well defined and well structured way. And what is behavioral changes? So behavioral changes means it refers to any modification of human behavior. In a sense, any transformation of human behavior, a kind of modification of human behavior or any kind of transformation of human behavior is called as behavioral changes. Okay, now let's see meaning of human resource development. So it is a set of systematic and planned activities designed by an organization to provide its member with the opportunity to learn necessary skills to meet current and future job demands. So it is a set of systematic and planned activities. I have told you before what is systematic. So it is a systematic and planned activity. So they will plan in advance how to develop human resource of the company. The HR manager or team will plan in advance. So without plan nothing can be done, right? So without a proper plan we cannot form a certain strategy. So first we have to plan. So it is a planned activities designed by an organization to provide its members with the opportunity to learn necessary skill to meet current and future job demands. So as we know, technology is changing day by day. As technology is changing, we need to update our skills. So we need to update our skills to meet current and future job demands. So we know that today the world is going to globalization. So every now and then new technology is coming into market. And it is not like how we work in past 20 years back. It is not like that. Now the technology is changing every now and then, and we need to update our skill based on the changes in technology. So next we will see The functions of HRD. So HRD has three primary functions. The first one is training and development, and the next one is organization development, and the third one is career development. So now let's see about training and development. The training and development focuses on changing or improving the knowledge, skill, and attitude of individuals. So it's all depends on improving the skill set of an individual, improving the knowledge of an individual, improving the behavior of an individual. So it is all about the improvement of overall skill of arts. So training typically involves providing employees with the knowledge and skill needed to perform a particular task or job. Okay, for example, I can say if an accountant, he need to have the skill to operate accounts, like he should know how to do a particular transaction using tally software. He need to know the tally software very well, right? So in training and development, they will train him to learn tally software, to be well versed in using tally software, so that he can work very effectively, very efficiently. So, training and development is all about improving the skill needed to perform a particular task or job. And the next one is organizational development. What is organizational development? It is the process of enhancing the effectiveness of an organization and the well being of its member. So, this organizational development is all about enhancing the effectiveness of an organization and the well-being of its members. So organizational development can be done through planned intervention that applies behavioral science concepts. So every person's behavior in the organization matters. Like if someone behaves wrongly, it affects the working culture of the organization. So a good behavior helps in the organizational development, and it helps him to focus on his work in a well defined way. And the next one is career development. So in the career development, it is a process that individuals progress through a series of stages. It's an ongoing process because it's a never ending process, right? So every individual want to grow, right? So it is the individual's progress through a series of stages because it's an ongoing process. Each stage in the process is characterized by a relatively unique set of issues, themes, and tasks. So there are various set of issues, themes, and tasks that come into a career development of an individual. So now let's see the features of HRD. So what is features? Features means an aspect of something or noticeable part of something. It's the kind of aspect of a particular thing. So here we are talking about the aspects of human resource development. Okay, the first feature is it is an systematic approach. So HRD is a systematic and planned approach through which the efficiency of employee is improved. The future goals and objectives are set by the entire organization, which are well planned at individual and organizational levels. So in systematic approach, it is more of systematic and planned approach. So as the name suggests, we can understand it is it will be in a systematic and planned way. So it helps to improve overall efficiency of the employees and also helps to finish the task at appropriate time. So with a systematic plan and with the systematic approach, we can finish our task on time. so we can meet our deadline and we can complete our task in the set time. And the next one is, it is an continuous process. Yes, it is a continuous process for the development of all types of skill of employees, such as technical, managerial, behavioral, and conceptual. Till the retirement of an employee, the sharpening of all these skills is required. So HRD will be a continuous process, because it is, if a particular employee have to learn particular things, it is not an one time process, because the learning is never ending. It is a continuous process. Learning and development is a continue sorry, it's a continuous process. Sorry for the mistake. So now let's see the third feature. What is the third feature? It's a multidisciplinary subject. Yes. HRD is a multidisciplinary subject which draws inputs from behavioral science, engineering, commerce, management, economics, medicine, etc. So it is draws input of all these branches. It is not only one branch to take into consideration. It is a multidisciplinary subject. And the last point is techniques. HRD embodies with the techniques and process such as performance appraisal, training, management development, career planning, counseling, workers' participation, and quality circles. So, what is embodies? Embodies means HRD includes with techniques and process such as performance appraisal, training, management, everything will be included in HRD. So overall we can say that HRD is an essential ingredient of any human resource system to achieve productivity, quality, efficiency and effectiveness. So this is the as we say that in curry we say that the salt is very important. So in the same way, HRD is also very important, a very essential ingredient in any human resource system. Okay. So I'm done with my explanation. So if you have any doubt, please ping me in the comment section. I'm free to answer all your doubts. Thank you.